Hi everyone, so my name is Damino. I'm from Sri Lanka. So this is the final project for CS50 Python programming, and I did a project called Guitar Chord Image Generator. It's called version 1, and I will tell you why it's still version 1. So if you're a person who plays guitar, and if you try to sing with your guitar, and I think you are really well aware about this site tabs ultimateguitar.com, right? So in here, if you're not playing any guitar, if you never sing before, I will tell you what happening when people try to do covers. So basically we go to a site like this and we just go with the chord, and this G, E minor, D, those are the chords when it's come to an instrument. So especially when it's come to a guitar. So what's happening here? Suppose I want to play this song. Suppose I pick up my guitar and I press this auto scroll button. So basically it will go from top to bottom like this. When I increase the speed, and you can see it just increasing the speed. The problem is it's when you are a beginner, when you are not an intermediate, when you are not a professional singer, it will be hard to lay with this foundation basically. So you can see it just moving from top to bottom very fast. So if you are a beginner, it will be hard to align with this. So what I did, I create this program in Python. So basically I have to hard code this uh, entire song by right click and copy. Then I have to go to this get song text function. I have to copy and I have to paste it. So basically what's happening, and I'm using this library called Python image library. So it take this text and it's going to export it as a JPEG. So this is where every magic happens. So basically it takes padding, it takes column, it takes width, and it generates image. So I will show you what's happening. So if I type Python project.py, image saved as multi-column code.png with 3 columns. So it automatically, I already code it to calculate how many columns they're going to be. So basically after 50 rows, I break it into new column. So when it's come to a new column, it just look like this. So this is the final output. So basically from here to here, from one page to here. So you can download it by right click and download, and you can open it and you can see everything in one place. We don't have to scroll from top to bottom, right? You can so like I said, there are 3 columns. I draw a border for every column and I break it every 50 rows. So it will be in a nice one page. So do you remember I said this is version 1? There was a reason I said this is version 1. And when I go to my first get song function, so basically I have to hard code it. Like I need to get a user input in future, right? So that was kind of a little bit hard for me in the beginning. I just didn't know how to figure it out. So that's why I did hard code. And basically it doesn't matter. You can get any code in this world and you can copy it and you can paste it in here in the input get song text function, and you can generate a nice looking image like this. So this is my final CS50 project, and thank you for watching, and I will see you.